Today, we're delving into one of Turkey's most iconic dishes, Peynirli Pide. This delicious, cheese-filled flatbread has an incredible history and some surprising facts behind it. Buckle up, because here are unknown facts about Peynirli Pide that will make you appreciate every bite even more. Let's get started. Pide is often called the Turkish pizza, but its roots actually go back over 1,000 years to ancient Anatolia. The word pide is derived from the Greek word pita, showing the culinary exchange between ancient Greeks and Turks. Pide was originally a staple food for Turkish nomads, who would bake flatbreads over open fires. In Ottoman times, pide became a popular street food, often sold in markets and bakeries across the empire. Early versions of pide were simple, often just seasoned with herbs or garlic, before the introduction of cheese and other toppings. Now let's talk about the foundation of pide, the dough. Pide dough is traditionally made with flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt, making it a simple yet essential component of the dish. In some regions, yogurt or milk is added to the dough to give it a softer, more pillowy texture. The dough is hand-shaped into a long, oval form, which is the signature shape of Turkish pide. Traditional pide is baked in a wood-fired oven, which gives the bread its characteristic crispiness and smoky flavor. The dough for pide needs to rest for several hours to allow the yeast to ferment, which enhances the flavor and texture. The star of Peynirli Pide is, of course, the cheese. The cheese used in Peynirli Pide is typically a blend of Turkish white cheese and kaşar cheese, a type of semi-hard cheese. Kaşar cheese has a mild flavor and melts beautifully, making it perfect for pide. Some regional variations of Peynirli Pide include a mixture of cheeses, such as feta and mozzarella, to create a richer flavor. Historically, cheese was considered a luxury ingredient in Turkey, reserved for special occasions, making Peynirli Pide a celebratory dish. Today, there are gourmet versions of Peynirli Pide that include rare cheeses like tulum or goat cheese for a more artisanal twist. Pide changes from region to region in Turkey. Let's explore some of these unique variations. In the Black Sea region, pide is known as laz boregi, and often includes a sweet cheese filling. The town of Bafra is famous for its pide, which is slightly thicker and often contains a mix of cheese and eggs. In Konya, pide is referred to as etli ekmek. And although it usually contains meat, cheese pide is also popular here. Trabzon pide is known for its generous use of butter, which is added after the pide is baked, giving it a rich, indulgent flavor. In some regions, the edges of the pide are folded inward to create a boat-like shape, which holds the cheese filling better during baking. Pide is more than just food, it's a symbol of community and tradition. Pide is traditionally eaten during Ramadan as part of the iftar meal to break the fast at sunset. In many Turkish households, pide is prepared for family gatherings and special events, symbolizing hospitality and generosity. The process of making pita is often passed down through generations, with families guarding their unique recipes. In rural areas of Turkey, families gather at communal ovens, called tandır, to bake large batches of pita together. Pita is frequently served at Turkish weddings and festivals, symbolizing abundance and celebration. Many chefs are experimenting with fusion pita, incorporating international ingredients like blue cheese, truffle oil, or even exotic spices. Vegan versions of Peynirli pita are gaining popularity, using plant-based cheeses made from nuts or soy. Gluten-free pita, made with rice flour or almond flour, is becoming more common as dietary preferences evolve. Some modern pitas are topped with additional ingredients after baking, such as arugula, fresh herbs, or drizzles of balsamic glaze. Miniature versions of Peynirli pita, served as appetizers or tapas-style dishes, are a growing trend in Turkish restaurants. During the Ottoman Empire, pita was served to sultans as part of elaborate feasts, often filled with exotic cheeses and spices. In some regions of Turkey, it is believed that eating pita on the first day of the new year will bring good luck and prosperity. Legend has it that the recipe for pita was passed down by nomadic Turks who baked flatbreads over open fires as they traveled. During World War I, pita became a popular dish among Turkish soldiers due to its simple preparation and filling nature. In Turkish folktales, pita is often associated with feasts and celebrations, symbolizing abundance and hospitality. Pita has traveled far beyond Turkey. Let's see how it's adapted around the world. In Georgia, pita is closely related to khachapuri, a similar cheese-filled bread that is a national dish. In Greece, the dish evolved into peynirli, a popular street food that closely resembles Turkish pita but often uses Greek cheeses like kefalotiri. In the Middle East, pita is often served with za'atar or olive oil, adding a unique twist to the classic recipe. Pita is now a common dish in many Mediterranean restaurants worldwide, from New York to London and Sydney. In Australia, Turkish pita is served in trendy cafes, often with modern toppings like avocado or poached eggs. And that's a wrap on our unknown facts about Peynirli pita. From its ancient origins to modern-day twists, this cheesy Turkish flatbread is truly a culinary treasure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.